Use map blocks to embed Google Maps with a location pin on your site. This is a great way to display your business or event's location. To add a map block, first edit a page or post. Click Add Block. Then select Map from the menu. Open the block editor by clicking the pencil icon on the block. In the Content tab, add a location pin. When a visitor clicks a location pin, it will open the address in Google Maps. Use the Design tab to customize the color and appearance of the map. Click outside the block editor when you're done. Your changes save automatically. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.